Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today we are going to discuss how to find the nature of the solution of the linear equations in two variables by comparing the ratio of the coefficients. Let us take the pair of linear equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Similarly, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This we have two linear equations. Now, by comparing the coefficients of x as well as y and this, then we can find out whether the lines are parallel, whether the lines are coincident or intersecting. First is, if you have a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that means a1 by a2, by taking the ratio of the coefficients of variable x, when they are not equal to b1 by b2, that means the ratio of the coefficients of y, then we have the unique solution. That means your lines are intersecting. Second case is when you have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, that means no solution and lines are parallel. This is the second case. Third case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means you have infinitely many solutions and lines are coincident. So you can find out the nature of the solution by comparing the ratio of the coefficients of the variables. That means if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, you will have the unique solution. That means lines are intersecting. Second is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means there is no solution and the lines are parallel. Third is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. That means infinitely many solutions and the lines are coincident. So for this case, you will have consistent system of linear equations. For this, you have inconsistent. And for this case, you have again consistent system of linear equations. Consistent means at least one solution, inconsistent means no solution at all. So on this basis, you can be asked to find out the value of k if the pair of linear equations, it can be unique solution, if the pair of linear equations have a unique solution, if the pair of linear equations have no solution, if the pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So you must remember all these three conditions and you will be able to find out the value of k if any of the given condition is given to you. Next is, let us take an example for it. Suppose in your exercise 3.2, you are given few questions and you will be asked that to find out whether the system of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent, or whether they have unique solution, you have infinitely many solutions or no solutions. So let us take an example for it. Let us say you have 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Let us say you are given these two equations and you will be asked whether they have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So what you will do, you will compare the coefficients, ratio of the coefficients of the variables. So for this, if I compare this equation with this equation, what I will get, a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. Then this is a1 by a2. Then b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3. And c1 by c2 is equal to, that is minus 5 by minus 1. So minus minus will be cancelled, you will get 5 by 1. So look here, here a1 by a2, that is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So that means it will have unique solution. You can easily tell by comparing the ratio of the coefficients. You have got this, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So that means this system of linear equations have a unique solution. Now let us take another example as now you have these two equations. So here see a1 by a2. If I'll compare this equation with this general form, so you will get a1 by a2 as 2 by 4. That means if you will reduce it, you will get 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 3 by 6. That means again you will get 1 by 2. c1 by c2, what you are getting here as minus 9 by minus 24. So it will be 9 by 24. Minus and minus will be cancelled out. So what you will get here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So what is this? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. That means these two linear equations have no solutions and the lines will be parallel. Third case, let us take third case as, suppose here it is minus 18. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Similarly, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6. That means 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 9 by, again you are getting 1 by 2. So in this case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So this is the third case. So there will be infinitely many solutions and the lines are coincident. So infinitely many solution. So this is how you can find out whether your lines are intersecting, lines are parallel, lines are coincident, whether the given system of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent by comparing the ratio of the coefficients of the variables. So thank you. You can do it this exercise 3.2 by watching this session carefully and try to solve exercise 3.2 for it. Thank you.